Hi foodies, it's a new series Bake and Make Snack and welcome to episode number 1. Let's make baked chicken wings. Here we go. Let's add in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, a tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. This Kashmiri chili powder gives a nice, beautiful, natural red color. A tablespoon of lime juice, adequate salt, and the chicken pieces. Here I am adding almost 8 to 10 chicken pieces along with the skin. You can discard the skin as well. So here are some chicken wings and chicken lollipop pieces. Let's give a quick and nice rub of this masala. Very simple yet tasty masala over the chicken, and rub it over the chicken very nicely so that it gets coated really well and gets deep into the chicken. Drizzle in 2 teaspoons of oil. This oil will give a nice glaze over the chicken when it gets baked. You have to refrigerate it for at least an hour, but if you can refrigerate overnight as well. So here we go. We have taken a baking tray. I am just rubbing oil all over the tray. You can also place a baking sheet to avoid the stickiness of the chicken. It makes the cleaning process very easy. And let's place the marinated chicken. These simple baked chicken are not only easy to make, it's so yummy and it's very cost effective without any preservatives. Here I have preheated my oven for 230 degrees centigrade. Let's put in the chicken and bake it for 45 to 60 minutes. Like after 25 minutes, let's turn in the chicken. Wow, I can feel the aroma now itself, but let's wait for another 20 minutes. When marinated beforehand, you can bake this chicken just an hour before your kids come back from school and they are going to love it. Wow, the chicken is getting baked so nice, so crisp, and looks so roasted. I can't wait to take it. It's almost 50 minutes, and let's switch off the oven and take the baked chicken out. That's it. Yummy, crispy chicken with soft, meaty texture inside is ready. You can have it as it or serve it along with mayo on the side. I'm just drizzling in some flavored mayo, and let's serve to the kids. Definitely kids will love this simple yet tasty baked chicken once they are back from school. Do try this out. Bye.